Hi to all house streamers! Welcome to Lyra Homes Naik, located at Barangay Malainin, Bago, Naik, Cavite. Introducing our Amora model with a spacious lot area of 50 square meters and a cozy 44 square meters for the floor area of our inner unit. Take a glimpse at our sample dress-up unit, a vision of comfort and style. Let's go! And now, let's explore our turnover unit. Our turnover unit is thoughtfully designed with convenience in mind. It comes equipped with window screens and screen doors to keep the mosquitoes at bay. The added window grills provide an extra layer of security for your family. And we also have rain and freshwater storage facilities, help you conserve water consumption effectively. Yan po mga ka-streamers, kaya makatipid kayo sa ating water consumption dito sa ating Lyra Homes. So ito po ang ating actual turnover. Ayan. So may handrails na po yan mga ka-house streamers, at saka ito po ang ating second floor. So ganun din po, sa atin pong second floor mayroon na po itong window screen, window grills. Ayan po mga ka-house streamers, at saka ready na din po siya yung mga boxes para po sa ating aircon. And of course mga ka-house streamers, embrace sustainable living with solar panels that ensure a zero electricity bill in your home. Make your dream home a reality at Lyra Homes Naik. Come and experience the perfect blend of comfort, security, and sustainability. Book your visit today to all house streamers. Once again, this is Merce from Dream House Realty. Thank you.